Hi, what's up everyone? I'm in the garage again because I finally have got my fingers out of my to fix the beak extension that I tried to attach a couple of weeks ago. Now it looks like this. As you can see, it's way too loose. It's supposed to be attached with some sort of clip-ons underneath here, but I broke the ones that was in the box, so now I have found this instead. It's some sort of super adhesive tape. I think it's gonna do fine. I'm just gonna try to cut out a little piece of it and attach it underneath. I don't know if you can see it, but I am just going to put some tape adhesive here and some adhesive at the beak itself. And hopefully it will stay. So let's try it. Okay. All right, it's not gonna work. Nah, it's not gonna work. Okay, so it's a disaster once again. I really need to find some metal clips instead. Okay, attempt number 2, disaster. See you next time.